Have you ever noticed how one simple pose can turn an ordinary photo into something you just can't stop looking at? It's not always about the outfit, it's not always about the camera, and it's definitely not about making every pose complicated. Sometimes it's just one natural moment, one expression, and one perfect moment. So today we are taking a look at different American fashion model poses, and each one brings a completely different mood. And don't skip this one because the poses toward the end are where the real transformation begins. Let's start. The model begins with a slow confidence walk toward the camera. Nothing feels forced, her shoulders stay relaxed, her movement feels natural, and her eyes briefly connect with the camera. Then she stops, shifts her weight onto one leg, turns slightly to the side, and gives a soft, confident look. It's simple, but somehow the entire mood changes. Now she looks away from the camera. Not every photograph needs direct eye contact. Sometimes looking into the distance create a more effortless editorial feeling. She pauses for a moment, then slowly turns her face back toward the camera. That tiny transition can create several completely different photographs the same position. Now let's add some movement. She takes a small step, turns naturally, and lets the camera capture the moment in between. That's where photography starts to feel alive instead and of holding one perfect pose. She moves through the pose, and sometimes the one and in between moment become the best shot. Now the mood gets a little softer. She adjusts her hands naturally, keeps her posture relaxed, and gives the camera a calm expression. No exaggerated smile, no dramatic movement, and just quiet confidence, because confidence doesn't always have to be loud. Sometimes the most powerful expression is the one that feels effortless. Now the camera moves slightly to the side. The model turns one shoulder toward the camera. Her face follows slowly, and first a side profile, then a half turn, and finally direct eye contact. Three different moods from one simple movement. And if you are watching closely, notice something important. The pose itself isn't always the secret, it's the transition. The way the model moves from one position to another is what makes and the entire sequence feel natural. Now the energy become a little more cinematic. She looks directly into the camera, gives a subtle smile, holds the moment, and then looks away. Just one small change, but suddenly the photograph feels completely different. Now comes a stronger editorial pose. Her posture becomes more powerful. Her chin lifts slightly, her shoulders stay relaxed, and her eyes hold the camera with confidence. There is no need to say anything, the expression says enough, and maybe that's why some photographs don't just look good, they stay in your mind. Now for something unexpected, the model starts walking away from the camera. Everything feels calm until and she suddenly turns back. One quick look over the shoulder, and there it is, a completely different moment. It feels spontaneous, even so every moment is carefully controlled. That little surprise is what keeps the frame interesting. Now we are moving into the final sequence. The model starts with a simple standing pose, then turns slightly, moves her hands naturally, changes her expressions, and shifts her direction. One position, multiple emotions, calm,